Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Make sure your iPhone iOS is current and location services are enabled so Google Maps can get accurate position data. Once those settings are set, open the Google Maps app. If it's not installed, tap the App Store, search Google Maps, and install. Sign in with your Google account so your saved places and preferences sync. This step gets everything ready. Without location access or signing in, routing and personalized results won't work reliably. You now find where you're going. Tap the search bar and type the address, place name, or speak it using voice search for hands-free entry. Once results appear, tap directions and pick your travel mode, driving, transit, walking, or cycling, because each mode offers different routes and ETA calculations. Make adjustments. Tap the 3 dots to avoid tolls or highways, add intermediate stops, and set departure or arrival time so Google predicts traffic and gives realistic travel times. You're ready to go. Tap Start for turn-by-turn navigation and listen for voice prompts. They tell you when and where to turn so you can focus on driving or walking. For walking in dense areas, try Live View to see arrows overlaid on the camera feed. It's great for confusing intersections. If your position is off, make sure location services are enabled, toggle them off and on, or restart the app or device. Recalibrating the compass by moving the phone in a figure 8 can also fix heading errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.